The universe is vast, quiet, and mesmerizingly beautiful, and among its most enigmatic residents are black holes. These cosmic entities have long been misunderstood as dangerous, destructive monsters, but in truth, they are gentle giants, silently shaping the structure of galaxies and guiding the flow of cosmic matter. Imagine floating through the darkness of space, surrounded by stars twinkling faintly in the distance, and suddenly noticing a region where light seems to bend, a space where time itself behaves differently. That is the realm of a black hole. They are the universe's secret custodians, holding the balance between creation and destruction, and though they devour everything that comes too close, they do so as a natural part of the cosmic rhythm, without malice or chaos. The gravity around them is immense, yet their existence is fundamental to the formation of stars and galaxies. Every black hole has a story that began billions of years ago, often from the death of massive stars whose cores collapsed under their own weight, giving birth to singularities surrounded by an invisible event horizon. The event horizon is not a barrier in the traditional sense, but rather a point of no return where the gravitational pull becomes so strong that even light cannot escape. To an observer, approaching it would appear as if time is slowing down, a gentle stretching of reality itself, creating a surreal, almost dreamlike effect. Yet, beyond the event horizon lies a mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. No telescope can see beyond it directly, but through careful observation of surrounding matter and light, astronomers piece together the presence of these extraordinary objects. Black holes are often surrounded by swirling disks of gas and dust, slowly spiraling inward in an intricate dance of gravity and friction. As the material nears the event horizon, it heats up, emitting soft X-rays that travel across the universe to tell a tale of quiet power and cosmic elegance. They influence everything around them, from the orbits of nearby stars to the shaping of galaxies themselves, acting as unseen architects of the cosmic landscape. Despite their fearsome reputation in popular culture, they are not indiscriminate destroyers. Rather, they are natural participants in the life cycle of the universe, reminding us that silence and stillness can be as powerful as motion and light. Visualize this scene. A black hole at the heart of a distant galaxy, surrounded by stars slowly tracing elliptical paths, nebulae drifting past in long, graceful arcs, and cosmic dust illuminated faintly by the soft glow of nearby starlight. It is a place of beauty and calm, a quiet heartbeat of the cosmos, where immense forces operate in perfect harmony. As we drift closer, the light bends subtly, creating a cinematic tapestry of warped space, a natural lens that magnifies and stretches the universe in gentle, hypnotic waves. Every black hole is unique, with mass, spin, and size that define its character. Some are stellar remnants, formed from single massive stars, while others, the supermassive black holes, lie at the centers of galaxies, millions to billions of times more massive than our sun, anchoring entire star systems with their silent gravitational pull. These giants, despite their immense power, do not roar or collide violently in the void. They move gracefully, almost imperceptibly, their influence felt through the orbits of stars and the swirling patterns of interstellar clouds. Even their formation is a story of cosmic patience. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it exhausts its fuel, its core collapses, and in that collapse, a black hole is born. It is a transition not of violence but of transformation, a gentle shift in the universe's tapestry. Scientists study them not with fear but with awe, observing the light bending, the orbits of nearby stars, and the behavior of matter in extreme gravitational fields. Through this, we understand the rules of nature in their most extreme form, learning how space, time, and matter interact in a delicate, precise balance. Black holes are not anomalies to be feared. They are fundamental to understanding our universe, silent guardians whose presence maintains cosmic order, reminding us that the universe, in all its vastness, operates through subtle forces and quiet rhythms. As we conclude this initial journey toward the heart of a black hole, we are left with a sense of calm wonder, an appreciation for the unseen architects of the cosmos, and a curiosity that will guide us deeper into the mysteries of these gentle giants, where every ripple of light and every curve of space tells a story millions of years in the making. Every black hole begins its life in a story of transformation, not chaos. Picture a massive star, many times larger than our sun, burning brightly in a distant corner of the galaxy. For millions of years, it radiates light and warmth, balancing the fierce energy of nuclear fusion in its core against the pull of its own gravity. This delicate balance sustains the star, allowing it to shine for eons, seemingly eternal, yet everything in the universe has its time. As the star exhausts its fuel, the core can no longer support the immense weight pressing inward. Gravity, relentless and patient, begins to dominate, and the star's outer layers may explode in a supernova, scattering elements into the surrounding space. This spectacular cosmic event is not merely destruction, it is creation in disguise. From the ashes of the star, new elements are forged, seeds for future stars, planets, and perhaps even life itself. At the heart of this explosion, the core collapses into an infinitely dense point, a singularity wrapped by the invisible cloak of an event horizon. This is the birth of a black hole, a quiet, unseen presence that will endure for billions of years. Unlike stars, black holes do not emit light. They are invisible guardians of the cosmos, detectable only through the effects they impose on their surroundings. Nearby stars may dance in elliptical orbits, matter swirls in glowing accretion disks, and gravitational waves ripple through the fabric of space-time, carrying tales of the black hole's immense gravity. Imagine drifting slowly toward one, the void of space stretching before you, the light of distant stars bending subtly as if the universe itself is whispering a secret. The sensation is surreal, a slow, hypnotic pull drawing you closer, yet in this quiet presence there is no terror, only awe. Astronomers observe black holes using indirect clues: X-rays from heated matter, the motion of nearby stars, and the gravitational lensing of light. Each observation adds a brushstroke to the portrait of these cosmic giants, revealing a universe where gravity reigns supreme and yet operates with elegance. Even as black holes consume matter, they are not indiscriminate devourers. The process is gradual, a slow absorption of gas and dust that contributes to the formation of galaxies and the evolution of the universe. Visualize a newly formed black hole at the center of a dense star cluster. Stars trace precise paths, their movements guided by the unseen gravitational hand of the black hole. Clouds of cosmic dust drift past, illuminated by soft starlight, creating a scene of mesmerizing calm. There is a rhythm here, a natural cadence to the dance of matter and energy, reminding us that the universe is governed by subtle forces, not chaos. The birth of a black hole also teaches us about time itself. Near the event horizon, time stretches, moving slower relative to distant observers, creating a cosmic illusion where seconds can feel like years. It is a gentle distortion, a bending of reality that underscores the power of gravity and the mystery of the universe. As we observe this process from a safe distance, the story of creation and transformation unfolds before our eyes, revealing the quiet majesty of black holes. Their presence ensures the recycling of matter, the formation of new stars, and the intricate choreography of galaxies. In understanding their birth, we glimpse the profound connection between life and death in the cosmos, between the brilliant flare of a supernova and the silent, enduring pull of a black hole. The universe, in all its immensity, relies on these gentle giants to maintain balance, to sculpt the cosmos in ways both visible and hidden. As we drift back from this newly formed black hole, the scene leaves an impression of serenity, of cosmic order, and of a universe where even the most powerful forces operate with subtle grace. Each black hole is a monument to transformation, a quiet sentinel reminding us that in the heart of darkness lies the seed of creation, and that even in the most extreme conditions, the universe is a place of calm, rhythm, and timeless beauty. A black hole may appear as a dark void in the vast expanse of space, but beneath this shroud of invisibility lies a structure both simple and profoundly mysterious. At the very heart is the singularity, a point of infinite density where the known laws of physics seem to break down. It is a place that defies imagination, a core so compact that it holds the mass of an entire star, yet occupies no measurable space. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the boundary that marks the point of no return. Beyond this invisible threshold, nothing, neither matter nor light, can escape. To an outside observer, it is as if a veil hangs over the black hole, a silent guardian of secrets hidden from view. This boundary is not violent or chaotic. Rather, it is serene, a calm line delineating where the universe as we know it ends and the unknown begins. Around the event horizon, one often finds an accretion disk composed of gas, dust, and particles spiraling inward in a slow, hypnotic dance. As matter approaches the black hole, friction heats it, causing it to glow with soft X-rays and subtle radiance, painting the surrounding darkness with fleeting light. This luminous display is not overwhelming but gentle, almost like cosmic fireflies circling a mysterious void, inviting distant observers to marvel at the beauty of forces far beyond everyday comprehension. The black hole may also exhibit powerful jets of matter and energy, streaming outward at near-light speeds. These jets are not chaotic explosions. They are precise, focused streams that extend for thousands of light years, sculpting the surrounding interstellar medium and influencing the formation of stars and galaxies. Imagine floating in space, watching these luminous ribbons extend across the darkness, bending slightly as they interact with the magnetic fields of the galaxy, a cosmic ballet that is both grand and silent. Even the shape of a black hole can tell a story. While many are roughly spherical, the rotation of a black hole, known as its spin, can cause the event horizon and surrounding space to warp, creating fascinating effects on nearby matter and light. This rotation adds a dynamic quality to what might otherwise seem like a static object, demonstrating that even the most extreme points in the universe are part of a cosmic rhythm, moving in harmony with the galaxies around them. Gravitational lensing is another captivating feature. As light from distant stars and galaxies passes near a black hole, it bends, forming arcs, rings, and distorted images, as if the universe is peering through a delicate magnifying glass. This phenomenon allows astronomers to see the unseen, to map the influence of black holes on the fabric of space itself. In this way, a black hole becomes more than an invisible void. It is a sculptor shaping light, matter, and even time in ways that are slow, steady, and strangely beautiful. The more we learn about their anatomy, the more we appreciate their gentle power. They do not scream or clash. They exist in quiet authority, guiding the evolution of the cosmos. Stars orbit them, dust flows around them, and galaxies are subtly molded by their presence. Black holes remind us that the universe is not only composed of brilliant lights and dazzling explosions but also of hidden forces operating in calm precision, forces that hold the universe together in ways both visible and invisible. To approach a black hole in imagination is to enter a place where space bends, time stretches, and matter flows in a dance choreographed by gravity itself. It is a place of serenity, where immense forces act without chaos, and where the extraordinary nature of the universe is revealed not in noise or spectacle but in quiet, hypnotic motion. Understanding their anatomy allows us to see that black holes are not cosmic monsters but guardians of cosmic order. Each layer, from the glowing accretion disk to the invisible singularity, tells a story of balance, of harmony, and of the subtle yet immense power that governs the universe. As we drift further from this enigmatic entity, a sense of calm lingers, a reminder that the most extreme objects in the cosmos are not threats but teachers, inviting us to marvel at the precision, elegance, and quiet majesty of space itself. Gravity is the invisible hand that shapes the universe, and nowhere is its power more profound than around a black hole. To approach one is to experience a subtle stretching of reality, a distortion of space and time that challenges our perception yet unfolds with quiet elegance. Imagine drifting slowly toward a black hole, stars around you warping and bending in gentle arcs, light curving as if passing through an unseen lens. This is gravitational lensing, a phenomenon that allows distant galaxies to glow in unexpected patterns, transforming the void into a surreal, cinematic canvas. Near the event horizon, the force of gravity becomes immense, stretching not only space but time itself. Seconds for a distant observer might pass like hours for someone venturing close to the singularity. This is not chaos but a serene distortion, a cosmic rhythm that reveals the universe's intricate design. Stars and matter are caught in delicate orbits, tracing ellipses that speak of balance and harmony. Even light, the fastest traveler in the cosmos, cannot escape the grasp of the black hole, bending and curving in graceful, hypnotic patterns. In this realm, gravity becomes both artist and conductor, choreographing the dance of matter with precision and calm. The accretion disk, glowing softly, spirals inward as if caught in a slow waltz, matter heating gently as it nears the point of no return. This glowing material emits soft X-rays that travel across the universe, signaling the presence of the unseen giant. Jets of energy may erupt from the poles, not violently but in focused streams, stretching for thousands of light years and painting the cosmic canvas with glowing ribbons of light. Observing these effects from a safe distance is like watching an intricate ballet, a performance orchestrated by forces beyond imagination, yet unfolding with perfect serenity. Even the fabric of time itself seems to bend, a subtle stretching that reminds us that the universe is not a static stage but a living, breathing entity. Gravitational waves ripple through space, emanating from collisions and movements near the black hole. Though imperceptible to our senses, these waves carry the story of cosmic interactions across millions of light years, a gentle heartbeat resonating through the cosmos. It is this quiet power, this patient sculpting of matter and light, that makes black holes both fascinating and beautiful. They teach us that strength does not always roar, sometimes it whispers, guiding the dance of galaxies and stars with invisible hands. To imagine oneself near a black hole is to feel a cosmic calm, a gentle tug of gravity that is immense yet oddly peaceful. Every star orbiting a black hole, every swirl of dust in the accretion disk, every ripple in space-time contributes to a grand symphony of order. In this way, black holes are not just objects of scientific curiosity, they are guardians of cosmic balance, silent sentinels whose presence ensures the harmony of the universe. The closer we look, the more we realize that gravity, in its extreme, is not destructive chaos but precise elegance. It bends, stretches, and guides, shaping the cosmos with a gentle grip that spans light years. In this section of our journey, we begin to understand the paradox of black holes. Immense power enveloped in quiet serenity, a force that both terrifies and mesmerizes, yet above all, teaches us about the intricate, hypnotic rhythm of the universe. As we drift away from this powerful entity, the distorted stars gradually return to their familiar forms, the bending light straightens, and yet the memory of the gentle grip of gravity lingers, leaving a calm sense of wonder that will accompany us deeper into the mysteries of these cosmic giants. Around a black hole, matter and light engage in a mesmerizing dance, moving with a slow, hypnotic rhythm dictated by gravity itself. Gas, dust, and stray particles from nearby stars are drawn toward the invisible singularity, forming a glowing accretion disk that swirls with elegant precision. As the matter spirals inward, friction heats it to incredible temperatures, and it radiates light across the universe, soft X-rays that act as a gentle beacon of the black hole's presence. This glow is not chaotic or violent but steady, like the soft illumination of a lantern in an otherwise dark expanse. From a distance, the accretion disk appears as a luminous ring, slowly rotating, its particles tracing elliptical paths in a ballet choreographed by gravity. Occasionally, powerful jets of energy erupt from the poles, streaming matter at near-light speeds into interstellar space. These jets, though immensely powerful, move with astonishing precision, cutting through the darkness like silent ribbons of light. They influence the surrounding gas clouds, triggering the formation of new stars in distant regions, demonstrating the black hole's role as both destroyer and creator. Imagine floating near the edge of an accretion disk, watching dust and gas swirl in hypnotic patterns, feeling the immense gravity pull gently at the edge of perception, bending light in mesmerizing arcs. The colors are subtle but striking, soft blues, gentle oranges, and faint reds glowing against the inky blackness of space, a cinematic display that soothes even as it captivates. matter does not simply disappear as it crosses the event horizon. It contributes to a grand cosmic cycle, feeding the black hole while sculpting the surrounding environment. The flow of energy and particles is continuous, a gentle yet relentless rhythm that underscores the black hole's quiet authority over its domain. Gravitational waves ripple outward from the motion of matter, imperceptible to human senses yet detectable by the most sensitive instruments on Earth. These waves carry stories of movement, collisions, and cosmic harmony, reminders that the universe communicates in subtle ways, often beyond direct observation. Even light itself bends and twists as it approaches the black hole, creating visual distortions that transform nearby stars into arcs, rings, and glowing halos. These distortions are not frightening but hypnotic, a natural art of physics in motion, illustrating how the black hole shapes everything around it with calm inevitability. The dance of matter and light also demonstrates the balance of forces at play. While gravity pulls relentlessly inward, centrifugal forces from orbiting matter create a delicate counterbalance, ensuring that the accretion disk forms a stable, rotating structure rather than collapsing chaotically. Within this cosmic choreography, time and space bend subtly, creating a dreamlike experience for any observer imagining themselves near the black hole. The entire scene is cinematic, almost meditative, inviting the mind to wander through patterns of motion, light, and gravity, contemplating the quiet yet immense forces shaping the universe. In essence, black holes are not merely voids that consume, they are conductors of a cosmic symphony, orchestrating the motion of matter and energy with precision and grace. Their influence extends far beyond their immediate surroundings, affecting star formation, galactic evolution, and even the distribution of matter on a grand scale. The closer we observe, the more we understand that this dance is both beautiful and essential, a quiet interplay of creation and transformation, where even destruction is part of a larger cosmic rhythm. As we slowly drift away from this luminous ballet, the memory of swirling matter, bending light, and the silent power of the black hole lingers, leaving a sense of calm awe. Here, in the gentle chaos of motion and energy, we recognize the true elegance of black holes, majestic entities whose influence shapes the universe while providing a serene spectacle of cosmic artistry. Deep within the heart of almost every galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, a silent giant whose mass can reach millions or even billions of times that of our Sun. These colossal entities are the anchors of their galaxies, guiding the orbits of countless stars and shaping the flow of gas, dust, and cosmic energy with a quiet, invisible hand. Imagine drifting toward the center of a galaxy, the stars spinning slowly in vast spirals around the core, nebulae glowing faintly in soft hues, and at the very center, an unseen force holding the entire system in perfect balance. Supermassive black holes are not isolated or chaotic. They exist in harmony with their host galaxies, influencing star formation, gas dynamics, and even the growth of neighboring black holes. Their immense gravity sculpts the structure of galaxies, pulling matter into rotating disks and guiding the paths of stars that weave intricate patterns around the central core. Occasionally, bursts of energy erupt from the surroundings of these giants, as matter falling into the black hole is heated and accelerated, emitting streams of X-rays and relativistic jets that pierce through the galactic core. These emissions, though powerful, are precise and steady, contributing to the regulation of star formation by clearing out excess gas or triggering new bursts of stellar creation in distant regions. The effect is subtle yet profound, a cosmic feedback loop that maintains balance across millions of light years. Observing a supermassive black hole from a safe distance, one perceives not chaos but elegance, a slow, hypnotic dance of stars, gas, and light choreographed by gravity. The center of a galaxy is not a violent void. It is a place of silent authority, where immense forces operate with gentle consistency, shaping the evolution of the cosmos over billions of years. Even the Milky Way, our home galaxy, harbors such a giant, Sagittarius A*, an entity whose presence is felt through the motions of surrounding stars, moving in elliptical paths with a rhythm dictated by this invisible hand. The patterns formed by these stars create a visual poetry in space, a serene ballet that reminds us of the quiet yet profound influence of supermassive black holes. These giants also help us understand the history of their galaxies. By studying the behavior of stars, the distribution of gas, and the emissions from their cores, astronomers can trace how galaxies have evolved over cosmic time, unveiling a narrative of growth, interaction, and balance. The presence of a supermassive black hole ensures that galaxies remain cohesive structures rather than chaotic clouds of stars drifting aimlessly through space. Their role is not merely gravitational, it is organizational, shaping the cosmic landscape with patience and precision. Imagine watching a time-lapse of a galaxy, stars swirling gently over millions of years, clouds of gas flowing in measured arcs, and the central black hole silently orchestrating every motion. There is a serenity in this scale of time, a reminder that the universe's most powerful forces are often the most quiet. Supermassive black holes also anchor curiosity and imagination, inviting us to contemplate our place in the cosmos. They are monuments of extreme gravity, yet their influence extends beyond destruction, fostering creation and maintaining harmony in the vast expanse of space. In understanding these giants, we appreciate a universe that operates not on chaos alone but on subtle rules and gentle forces, where even the most formidable entities work in concert with the celestial environment. As we drift away from the galactic center, the spiral arms stretch into soft arcs of light, stars tracing paths that speak of balance, and the memory of the silent giant lingers, a calm reminder of the majestic power that shapes entire galaxies while allowing the universe to evolve in quiet, hypnotic rhythm. Near a black hole, time behaves in ways that challenge our everyday understanding, stretching and bending as if following a rhythm entirely its own. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, occurs because the immense gravity of a black hole warps the very fabric of space-time. Imagine floating slowly toward the edge of the event horizon, the stars around you appearing to shimmer and bend, their light curving in subtle arcs. To an observer far away, your motion seems to slow almost to a crawl, seconds stretching into minutes, minutes into hours, a gentle deceleration of reality that feels hypnotic and surreal. This is not frightening. It is a soft, cinematic reminder of the universe's flexibility, a peaceful distortion that invites contemplation rather than fear. Inside this stretched reality, even the simplest phenomena take on a new elegance. A particle falling into the black hole seems to move slowly, tracing a luminous path as it spirals along the accretion disk, emitting soft X-rays that drift outward across light years, carrying a story of gravity and motion. For distant observers, the particle's descent appears to freeze at the event horizon, a poetic pause in the dance of matter, a still frame in the vast movie of cosmic evolution. Time dilation also influences light and energy. Photons escaping from the vicinity of a black hole lose energy, redshifting gradually as they climb out of the gravitational well, transforming the color of light into softer, gentler tones. This creates a visual palette that is subtle, calming, and almost hypnotic, a natural cinematic filter applied by gravity itself. The effect of gravity on time is not limited to objects near the singularity. It stretches into the very perception of events in surrounding space. Stars orbit more slowly than we might expect. Nebulae appear to drift in slow motion, and the entire environment near the black hole becomes a serene, elongated dance where motion and light are orchestrated by unseen forces. Imagine watching two observers, one hovering safely far from the black hole, the other slowly approaching the event horizon. To the distant observer, the one approaching seems to glide in slow motion, almost as if time itself is watching and holding its breath. Yet for the traveler, time feels normal, a gentle paradox that emphasizes the subjective nature of reality in the universe. These relativistic effects extend even further, influencing how gravity interacts with light and matter across vast distances. Gravitational lensing, the bending of light around massive objects, distorts images of distant stars, creating arcs, rings, and glowing halos that transform the void of space into a cinematic canvas of curved light. Each ripple, each bend, each subtle distortion is a testament to the harmony of forces at play, a gentle choreography that merges physics with cosmic art. Time dilation also offers profound philosophical reflections. It reminds us that the universe operates on scales far beyond human perception, where seconds and millennia flow together in a quiet, continuous stream. Black holes, in their silent authority, allow us to glimpse the elasticity of time, revealing a cosmos where reality is fluid, subtle, and endlessly fascinating. As we drift near the event horizon, the surrounding stars stretch into soft arcs, the glow of the accretion disk slows into a hypnotic whirl, and the vast emptiness of space seems alive with motion slowed and measured by gravity. There is a serenity here, a sense of cosmic patience, a reminder that even the most extreme conditions in the universe unfold with elegance rather than chaos. By understanding time near a black hole, we begin to appreciate the gentle interplay of gravity, light, and matter, and the profound influence these forces have on the cosmos. In this quiet, stretched reality, every motion is amplified, every glow extended, and every ripple in space-time becomes a narrative of balance and order. Floating in this environment, one cannot help but feel a sense of calm awe, a hypnotic awareness of the universe's grandeur, and the subtle power of its most enigmatic giants. Here, near the black hole, time itself is not an enemy or a danger. It is a companion, guiding the dance of matter and light, whispering the secrets of the cosmos, and inviting us to witness the universe in its most serene and majestic form. The universe is vast, serene, and often silent, yet within this calm, immense forces occasionally meet in slow, mesmerizing encounters. Black holes, these gentle giants of space, sometimes drift toward one another over millions of years, their paths influenced by gravity and the subtle pull of surrounding stars and matter. When two black holes approach, they engage in a delicate, hypnotic dance, circling each other in ever-tightening spirals. This motion is not violent in the way we might imagine explosions on Earth. Instead, it unfolds with patient precision, a slow choreography dictated by gravity itself. As they orbit, they emit gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time that travel across the cosmos at the speed of light. These waves are imperceptible to our senses but carry the story of their dance across millions of light years, like soft whispers of the universe echoing through time. Imagine observing this from a safe distance. Two invisible giants circling, matter glowing softly in the accretion disks around them, and light bending subtly, forming arcs and halos that shimmer with calm, cinematic beauty. The spiraling motion gradually draws the black holes closer until they finally merge, forming a single, more massive entity. The collision releases energy, not as a destructive explosion, but as a resonance through space-time itself, gentle ripples that spread outward, shaping the universe in subtle, profound ways. Surrounding stars continue their orbits, cosmic dust drifts slowly, and nebulae glow faintly as if nothing has changed, yet the merger has subtly altered the gravitational landscape, influencing future orbits and the evolution of nearby galaxies. These events remind us that black holes are not chaotic monsters. They are cosmic architects, sculpting the universe with patient elegance. Even in the act of merging, there is a hypnotic rhythm, a natural flow that reflects the deep order underlying all cosmic phenomena. Scientists on Earth detect these collisions through gravitational wave observatories, instruments that capture the faint distortions in space-time caused by these distant encounters. Each signal carries information about the mass, spin, and movement of the colliding black holes, allowing us to reconstruct their silent dance in vivid imagination. The waves themselves are gentle, stretching and compressing space as they pass, a cosmic heartbeat that reminds us of the universe's immense yet subtle power. Visualize the scene as the merger completes. A new, more massive black hole rests at the center of its galactic environment, absorbing matter slowly, guiding stars in their orbits, and radiating soft X-rays from its accretion disk. The aftermath is calm, serene, and strangely beautiful, a testament to the balance and harmony maintained even during extreme cosmic events. Collisions between black holes also play a critical role in galactic evolution. They can trigger bursts of star formation, rearrange the paths of stars, and even influence the growth of surrounding black holes. Yet despite their transformative impact, the process is slow and measured, a gentle sculpting of the cosmic landscape rather than violent upheaval. Floating in imagination near such an event, one experiences awe tempered with serenity, observing a spectacle that is simultaneously powerful and meditative. Every orbit, every ripple, every glow of the surrounding matter contributes to a cosmic symphony that unfolds on timescales far beyond human comprehension. In witnessing these collisions, we begin to understand the universe's quiet grandeur, the slow, deliberate forces that shape galaxies, and the profound elegance of black holes. They remind us that even the most extreme phenomena can be harmonious, that immense power need not be chaotic, and that the universe, in all its immensity, operates with a subtle rhythm that is both mesmerizing and calming. As the gravitational waves travel outward, distorting space across unimaginable distances, they carry with them a story of unity, transformation, and cosmic balance, leaving a lingering sense of awe, wonder, and quiet reflection for anyone contemplating the serene majesty of these celestial giants. At first glance, black holes may seem like mere destroyers, devouring everything that comes too close. Yet in the quiet rhythm of the cosmos, they play a surprisingly gentle and creative role, nurturing the formation of stars and shaping the environments where galaxies evolve. Surrounding a black hole is often a swirling accretion disk of gas and dust, slowly spiraling inward in a graceful, hypnotic motion. While some matter is eventually consumed, a significant portion is influenced by the black hole's gravity in ways that encourage new beginnings. The jets of energy that erupt from the poles of a black hole are not chaotic explosions. They are precise, directed flows that can compress distant clouds of gas, triggering the birth of new stars far from the singularity. Imagine a vast cloud of interstellar gas, drifting silently in the emptiness. When a gentle shockwave from a distant black hole passes through it, nudging atoms together, causing them to collapse under their own gravity and slowly giving rise to a star. This process unfolds over millions of years, a patient cosmic rhythm where the forces of gravity, motion, and energy combine to weave the tapestry of creation. Even within galactic centers, where supermassive black holes reside, their influence on surrounding gas regulates star formation, ensuring that galaxies maintain balance rather than becoming chaotic clouds of matter. Stars orbit in elliptical paths, cosmic dust drifts in slow arcs, and nebulae glow faintly, all under the invisible guidance of the black hole's gravity. In this way, black holes become silent gardeners of the cosmos, pruning and shaping, encouraging growth while maintaining order. Visualize the scene. A distant observer drifts through a region of space, witnessing new stars igniting gently in the aftermath of subtle gravitational nudges. The glow of their nascent light blends softly with the surrounding nebulae, creating a serene, cinematic tableau where creation emerges from the interplay of gravity and energy. Time flows differently here, stretching and bending in harmony with the surrounding mass, allowing creation to unfold slowly and meditatively, giving each star the space to form and shine. The beauty of this process lies not in spectacle but in quiet elegance. There are no sudden explosions, only the gentle accumulation of matter, the slow compression of gas, and the eventual ignition of nuclear fusion in the heart of a new star. The black hole remains central yet unobtrusive, its influence subtle yet profound, orchestrating the cosmic environment without fanfare. Even the smallest stellar nurseries are affected by these giants, as their gravitational pull and energetic emissions guide the motion of clouds and clumps of gas, shaping the conditions for new celestial bodies to emerge. It is a paradox that the same object capable of swallowing light can also foster creation, a testament to the balanced and harmonious nature of the universe. As we drift further, watching stars slowly ignite and clouds of dust shimmer faintly in soft cosmic light, the serene influence of black holes becomes clear. They are not merely destructive entities but fundamental participants in the life cycle of the cosmos, nurturing creation in ways that are both subtle and essential. The process is slow, measured, and hypnotic, offering a gentle reminder that even the most powerful forces in the universe can act with grace, patience, and purpose. Floating in imagination through this environment, one feels the calm interplay of destruction and creation, the rhythm of the cosmos guided by invisible hands, and the quiet majesty of black holes as cosmic nurturers. In understanding this paradox, we gain a deeper appreciation for the elegance and serenity of the universe, where even the darkest giants foster life, structure, and harmony, leaving behind a silent legacy of creation that stretches across billions of light years. The event horizon of a black hole marks the boundary between the known and the unknown, the edge of a cosmic mystery that has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike. Crossing this threshold is not an act of violence or chaos. It is a journey into a region where the rules of physics as we know them begin to blur, where time stretches, space bends, and reality itself seems to fold inward. Imagine floating toward this invisible boundary, watching the accretion disk glow softly below, the light from distant stars bending in hypnotic arcs, and feeling the immense yet silent pull of gravity. Beyond the event horizon lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where matter is compressed to extremes and the familiar laws of space and time break down. No telescope can directly observe this region, yet theoretical physics offers glimpses into its nature, proposing ideas that challenge the limits of imagination. Some suggest that the singularity may be a gateway, a bridge to other regions of space or even other universes, a concept that sparks wonder and quiet contemplation rather than fear. The mathematics of black holes hint at possibilities that seem almost poetic: wormholes, alternate dimensions, and the bending of time into loops and folds, creating scenarios that are as mesmerizing as they are mysterious. Light cannot escape this region, yet its influence is felt across the cosmos through the behavior of nearby matter, the bending of space, and the emission of gravitational waves. Stars orbit as if choreographed by an invisible hand, gas clouds drift gently, and even distant galaxies feel the subtle tug of the black hole's immense gravity. In this sense, the interior of a black hole is not a place of chaos but a quiet engine of cosmic order, a point where the universe concentrates its most extreme forces into a single, enigmatic center. Theoretical models propose that inside, space may curve infinitely, creating conditions where time behaves unpredictably and the very fabric of reality twists and folds. This invites a meditative reflection. The universe contains places beyond our comprehension, yet these places maintain a delicate balance, operating with elegance and precision. Imagine drifting alongside a falling particle as it crosses the event horizon. To an outside observer, its motion slows and stretches, frozen in time at the boundary. Yet for the particle itself, the journey is seamless, continuous, a slow, gentle descent toward the singularity, accompanied by the bending of light and space in hypnotic arcs. Such concepts challenge our understanding of reality while inspiring awe, curiosity, and a deep sense of calm. Black holes remind us that the universe is full of hidden depths, of regions that cannot be seen directly but whose presence shapes everything around them. Their interiors, though invisible, influence stars, galaxies, and even the distribution of matter across billions of light years. The mysteries beyond the event horizon are a testament to the subtle grandeur of the cosmos. Extreme, unfathomable, yet imbued with a silent harmony that governs the motions of matter and energy. As we imagine drifting ever closer, time stretches, stars bend into elegant arcs, and the glow of the accretion disk swirls in mesmerizing patterns. There is serenity here, a calm beyond the limits of human perception, a hypnotic reminder that the universe contains layers of reality far beyond what we can directly experience. The journey beyond the event horizon, even if only imagined, is not frightening. It is meditative, awe-inspiring, and deeply beautiful. It teaches us patience, wonder, and the quiet poetry of the cosmos. Every ripple of gravity, every curve of light, and every stretched second becomes part of a cosmic symphony, a slow dance of forces that is both extreme and harmonious. Black holes, in all their mysterious interiors, stand as monuments to the hidden elegance of the universe, inviting us to contemplate the profound balance of creation, destruction, and transformation that unfolds silently across the vast expanse of space. Black holes are not always stationary. Many rotate, spinning slowly or rapidly around their axes, carrying with them the silent dance of space-time itself. This rotation, imperceptible to the casual observer, produces a remarkable phenomenon known as frame dragging, where the black hole subtly twists the very fabric of space around it. Imagine drifting near a spinning black hole. The stars, gas, and dust around you begin to curve gently, as if caught in an invisible whirlpool. Light bends in hypnotic arcs, and the cosmic surroundings seem to rotate with a soft, entrancing rhythm. Frame dragging is a testament to the profound interplay between mass, motion, and gravity, revealing how black holes influence not only matter but space itself. The accretion disk around a rotating black hole moves in harmony with this spin, creating luminous swirls that trace the contours of warped spacetime. Matter spirals inward, heated by friction and radiation, yet its motion is orchestrated with quiet precision, a hypnotic ballet conducted by gravity and rotation. The effects extend beyond the immediate vicinity of the black hole, influencing the orbits of nearby stars and the alignment of magnetic fields, shaping the cosmic environment in subtle yet profound ways. Imagine a particle caught in the rotating space around a black hole. It does not fall straight inward but is guided along a curved, spiraling path, tracing glowing arcs through the dark void. Even photons of light are influenced, their paths bending into loops and curves as they follow the twisting contours of warped spacetime. This creates a cinematic spectacle of distorted stars, glowing accretion disks, and ethereal arcs of light, a visual meditation on the elegance of cosmic motion. The spin of a black hole also determines the shape of the event horizon. Rapid rotation flattens the black hole slightly at the poles and extends the equatorial region, producing subtle variations in gravitational pull and shaping the motion of nearby matter. This rotational character adds personality to each black hole, making every spinning giant unique, a subtle signature in the vast cosmos. Gravitational waves emitted by rotating black holes carry information about their spin, mass, and interaction with the surrounding universe. These waves ripple outward, stretching and compressing space with a hypnotic rhythm, a quiet cosmic heartbeat that echoes across millions of light years. Frame dragging reminds us that gravity is not merely a force pulling matter inward. It is an intricate sculptor, twisting space, guiding motion, and orchestrating the dance of matter, energy, and light with precision and grace. Floating near such a spinning black hole, one senses both immense power and serene elegance. Stars trace elliptical orbits that slowly precess, gas clouds swirl in delicate arcs, and light bends in patterns that are simultaneously hypnotic and meditative. This gentle twisting of space transforms the surrounding region into a living canvas of cosmic artistry, where every movement is part of a slow, harmonious symphony. In understanding the spin and frame dragging effects, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and subtlety of black holes. They are not chaotic voids but entities that guide, shape, and organize their surroundings with patient precision. Their rotation is a quiet reminder of the elegance embedded in extreme gravity, where even the most intense forces operate with balance and hypnotic rhythm. As we drift away from the spinning black hole, the distorted stars gradually settle into familiar paths, the luminous arcs of the accretion disk rotate gently in the distance, and yet the memory of twisted space lingers. A calm, meditative awareness of the profound artistry with which the universe moves, stretches, and spins in quiet majesty. Around many black holes, an invisible force orchestrates matter in ways that are as hypnotic as they are powerful: magnetic fields. These unseen threads stretch across space, twisting and shaping the behavior of particles in the vicinity of the black hole. Imagine drifting close to a spinning black hole, where the swirling accretion disk glows softly and magnetic lines curve gently, guiding charged particles along their elegant paths. The combination of gravity and magnetism forms the stage for one of the most cinematic phenomena in the universe: cosmic jets. These jets are streams of matter and energy, ejected from the poles of a black hole at nearly the speed of light, forming luminous ribbons that stretch thousands of light years into interstellar space. They are not chaotic explosions but precise, focused flows, choreographed by the interaction of rotation, magnetic fields, and gravity. Visualize the glowing jets as they extend through the darkness, bending subtly with magnetic guidance, illuminating distant gas clouds and tracing elegant arcs that contrast beautifully against the black void of space. As matter flows along these lines, it radiates energy in X-rays and radio waves, creating a soft, hypnotic glow that can be observed across galaxies. The jets act as cosmic sculptors, influencing star formation, shaping the interstellar medium, and gently redistributing matter across vast distances. Far from being destructive, they contribute to the balance and evolution of the galaxy, a reminder that black holes play both destructive and creative roles in the cosmos. Observing these jets from afar is like watching a celestial ballet. Matter spirals, light glows, and energy streams outward in slow, mesmerizing patterns. The interplay of rotation, gravity, and magnetism creates arcs of light that twist and bend, forming shapes that are both hypnotic and calming. Even the surrounding stars and clouds of gas seem to move in gentle synchrony, guided subtly by the invisible influence of magnetic fields. Frame dragging adds another layer of elegance, twisting the jets and the accretion disk into spirals that rotate with hypnotic rhythm, a cosmic waltz that unfolds over millions of years. Every photon emitted, every particle accelerated, and every arc of light is part of a slow, deliberate story written in the language of physics. Gravitational waves ripple outward as the jets interact with matter, carrying subtle messages about the black hole's rotation, mass, and magnetic influence, a gentle heartbeat that resonates through the cosmos. The visual beauty of magnetic fields and cosmic jets is not only mesmerizing but meditative. Softly glowing streams, bending arcs, and distant clouds illuminated in gentle tones create a cinematic spectacle that soothes the mind while engaging the imagination. Floating in this environment, one can sense the harmony of forces at play, gravity, rotation, and magnetism combining in perfect precision to shape the cosmic surroundings. Black holes, through these magnetic dances and radiant jets, reveal themselves as artists of the universe, crafting elegant structures from raw energy and matter, silently influencing galaxies and nurturing creation. As we drift further from this spectacle, the glowing jets stretch into the distance, fading gently into the darkness, leaving a lingering sense of calm wonder and serene fascination. In witnessing this ballet of magnetic fields and cosmic energy, we understand that black holes are not merely points of destruction, but profound conductors of the universe, guiding matter, shaping galaxies, and orchestrating the hypnotic rhythm of cosmic evolution. One of the most mesmerizing phenomena near a black hole is the bending of light, a subtle and hypnotic effect that transforms the surrounding space into a cinematic masterpiece. Gravity near a black hole is so immense that it warps space-time, causing photons, particles of light, to curve along invisible paths. Imagine drifting slowly toward a black hole, the glow of distant stars stretching and twisting into elegant arcs, forming luminous rings and halos that seem almost magical. This bending of light, known as gravitational lensing, allows us to perceive the invisible. Stars behind the black hole appear distorted, magnified, and duplicated, creating patterns of glowing elegance that ripple across the dark canvas of space. The effect is not abrupt or jarring. It is smooth, subtle, and hypnotic, a soft play of cosmic light that enchants the eye and calms the mind. The accretion disk adds its own glow to this spectacle, its radiant matter tracing spiral paths that blend with the bent light from background stars. Every photon curves, every glow stretches, and every halo shimmers in slow, meditative motion, creating a scene that is cinematic, almost dreamlike. As matter spirals toward the event horizon, light emitted from it bends around the black hole, forming ghostly arcs and luminous shadows. These patterns are like delicate brushstrokes across the dark void, illustrating the immense power and quiet elegance of gravity. Observing gravitational lensing is akin to looking through a natural magnifying glass that reshapes the universe into art. Entire galaxies behind the black hole can appear stretched, split, and softly duplicated, creating scenes of hypnotic symmetry. Even the most distant stars trace gentle arcs, guided by invisible hands, while nebulae shimmer in elongated patterns that invite calm contemplation. Beyond the visual spectacle, light bending also reveals critical information about the black hole's mass, rotation, and environment. Astronomers analyze these distortions to map the otherwise invisible gravitational landscape, decoding the subtle messages hidden in the curves of light. Imagine floating silently in space as light bends and warps around you. Stars stretch into luminous arcs, the glow of gas clouds twists softly, and shadows dance gently along the contours of warped space. There is no rush, no violence, only the patient, hypnotic flow of light responding to the immense gravity of the black hole. This slow, graceful motion transforms the cosmic void into a meditative canvas, a space where even extreme forces operate with calm precision. The bending of light not only creates a visual spectacle but also deepens our understanding of the universe's subtle harmony. It reminds us that gravity, though immense and powerful, can sculpt space and matter with the elegance of a painter's brush. Floating through this environment, one experiences a gentle rhythm, where every photon follows a choreographed path, every glow bends in measured arcs, and every shadow contributes to the hypnotic beauty of the scene. Black holes, through gravitational lensing, reveal themselves as cosmic artists, transforming space and light into mesmerizing patterns that are both scientifically profound and visually meditative. As we drift away from this hypnotic spectacle, the glowing arcs and luminous halos gradually fade, leaving behind a lingering sense of serene awe, a quiet reminder that the universe, even in its most extreme realms, is a place of elegance, balance, and gentle wonder. Black holes, though invisible and silent, are among the most influential architects of the universe. Their presence shapes galaxies, orchestrates star formation, and maintains balance across cosmic ecosystems. Imagine drifting slowly through a galaxy, observing spiral arms winding gracefully, clouds of gas and dust drifting in soft arcs, and stars tracing elegant elliptical orbits. At the heart lies a supermassive black hole, unseen yet profoundly powerful, its gravity guiding the motions of everything around it. This silent giant is a regulator, ensuring that matter does not collapse chaotically but instead flows in patterns that allow galaxies to evolve over billions of years. The black hole's influence extends through both direct and subtle mechanisms. Accretion disks around the black hole emit radiation that can heat surrounding gas, preventing excessive star formation, while jets of energy, stretching thousands of light years, can trigger star birth in distant regions. In this way, the black hole acts as both a creator and a moderator, sculpting the galaxy's structure and nurturing the growth of new stars. Visualize the scene. Glowing clouds of gas drift across the galactic plane, occasionally compressed by the gentle shockwaves from energetic jets, igniting new stars in serene bursts of light. Stars orbit predictably, tracing patterns dictated by the black hole's immense yet silent authority. Even distant satellites of the galaxy feel its presence, as the distribution of dark matter, gas, and stars subtly aligns with the gravitational influence of the central giant. Black holes also play a critical role in maintaining equilibrium within galaxy clusters. Their gravitational pull stabilizes the movement of neighboring galaxies, preventing chaotic collisions, while their emissions shape the intergalactic medium, redistributing energy and matter over vast distances. This cosmic choreography is slow, hypnotic, and profoundly elegant, a testament to the quiet, patient forces that govern the universe. Imagine observing a galaxy from afar. The black hole is invisible, yet its influence is everywhere. Stars swirl in perfect balance, nebulae glow softly, and cosmic jets trace glowing arcs through the darkness. There is serenity in this system, a gentle order maintained by the presence of an entity that, though unseen, touches every aspect of its environment. Through these processes, black holes nurture life indirectly, creating conditions for star systems to form, for planets to emerge, and for the intricate dance of matter and energy to continue uninterrupted. Their role in cosmic ecosystems is paradoxical. They consume matter and light, yet through their influence, they facilitate creation, organization, and harmony across vast stretches of space. Floating through this galaxy, one can perceive the interconnectedness of all things. Every star, cloud, and cluster is part of a network guided by gravity and energy, with the black hole serving as both anchor and conductor. The result is a hypnotic cosmic ballet, unfolding over millions and billions of years, where creation and destruction coexist in a delicate balance. Understanding black holes in this context transforms our perception of them from mysterious destroyers to essential nurturers of the universe. They embody the subtle elegance of cosmic order, where extreme forces operate not in chaos but in harmony, shaping the evolution of galaxies and sustaining the rhythms of the cosmos. As we drift further from the galactic center, the spiral arms extend gracefully, the glowing nebulae shimmer softly, and the silent authority of the black hole lingers, a calming reminder of the profound artistry embedded in the architecture of the universe. In this serene cosmic ecosystem, every motion, every glow, and every gentle ripple of gravity is a testament to the hypnotic, enduring influence of these invisible architects of creation. Black holes, though often imagined as devourers of light and matter, play a subtle role in the cosmic chemistry that lays the groundwork for stars, planets, and perhaps life itself. As matter spirals into a black hole, the surrounding environment becomes a laboratory of extreme conditions. Intense gravity, searing heat, and powerful magnetic fields combine to influence the behavior of atoms and molecules in ways impossible elsewhere in the universe. Imagine drifting near an accretion disk, watching clouds of gas glowing softly in muted colors, hydrogen, helium, carbon, and heavier elements swirling together in a hypnotic dance. These elements, forged in ancient stars and scattered across space, interact with one another, forming new compounds under the influence of radiation and gravity. Occasionally, jets of energy erupt from the poles of the black hole, carrying particles and energized atoms far into interstellar space. These streams, precise and focused, distribute the building blocks of matter across the galaxy, seeding distant clouds with the raw ingredients for future stars, planets, and potentially life. In this way, black holes act as cosmic distributors, silently spreading matter and energy across vast distances. Visualize a nebula illuminated by the gentle touch of a distant black hole's radiation. Clouds of dust shimmer in soft arcs, molecules collide and bond, forming complex structures that may one day become the seeds of planets or even living organisms. Time flows slowly here, allowing each reaction, each motion, and each spiral of matter to unfold gradually, creating a meditative rhythm in the cosmic environment. Even in the seemingly destructive act of accretion, there is creation. Matter falling into the black hole contributes to jets, heating, and radiation that shape interstellar chemistry and influence regions far beyond the event horizon. These processes, though invisible to the naked eye, are fundamental to the evolution of galaxies, the formation of planetary systems, and the potential emergence of life. Imagine tracing the journey of a single atom, born in a dying star, carried by cosmic winds, influenced by a black hole's gravity. It may eventually become part of a new star, a planet, or even a molecule essential to life. This slow, intricate choreography reveals the subtle elegance of black holes, not merely as consumers of matter, but as participants in the grand, ongoing cycle of cosmic creation. The interplay of gravity, magnetic fields, radiation, and chemistry produces patterns that are both mesmerizing and meditative, a hypnotic reminder of the hidden artistry underlying the universe. Floating through the scene, one can sense the harmony of forces at play, matter and energy moving in carefully orchestrated arcs, light bending gently, atoms colliding softly, and time stretching to allow creation to unfold. Black holes, in their extreme yet balanced influence, demonstrate that even the most powerful forces can nurture, shape, and inspire. They are quiet gardeners of the cosmos, distributing elements, guiding star formation, and influencing chemical reactions across millions of light years. The memory of this scene lingers, a soft glow of cosmic potential, a gentle awareness that the seeds of creation are carried silently by invisible giants, and that life itself, in all its delicate complexity, may owe part of its existence to the subtle, hypnotic influence of black holes. In contemplating this, we are reminded that the universe, in its vastness, operates with patience, elegance, and a serene rhythm where destruction and creation coexist in perfect harmony. The universe, vast and serene, is not static. Galaxies drift slowly through space, guided by gravity, sometimes approaching one another in a slow, hypnotic ballet. When two galaxies come near, their stars rarely collide directly, but their mutual gravity pulls clouds of gas, dust, and stars into new patterns. At the heart of these galaxies, supermassive black holes lie in silent authority, guiding the evolution of their host galaxies even as they approach one another. Imagine drifting through space as two spirals begin their slow embrace. Stars trace elegant arcs, gas clouds twist in gentle spirals, and the entire system reshapes over millions of years in a quiet, mesmerizing choreography. The black holes themselves begin a gradual dance, orbiting one another with precision, their gravitational influence merging to form a single, more massive entity. This process releases energy in the form of gravitational waves, rippling through space-time like a slow, cosmic heartbeat. Though invisible to the eye, these waves shape the environment around them, influencing distant stars, clouds, and even nearby galaxies. The collision triggers both creation and transformation. Gas clouds compress under the influence of gravity, igniting new stars in gentle bursts of light, while older stars trace new paths in the changing gravitational landscape. Cosmic jets and magnetic fields guide the flow of matter, distributing energy and elements across the merging galaxies. The scene is hypnotic, almost dreamlike. Arcs of glowing stars stretch across the darkness, nebulae shimmer in elongated patterns, and the subtle glow of the accretion disks around the black holes punctuates the cosmic canvas. Time stretches and flows differently in this environment, allowing the slow evolution of the galaxies to unfold in a serene, meditative rhythm. Observing such a merger, one perceives both immense power and delicate balance. Black holes, far from being mere consumers of matter, act as conductors of transformation, orchestrating the cosmic dance with precision and grace. Their gravitational pull ensures that the merging galaxies retain coherence, while their energy emissions and jets sculpt the interstellar medium, guiding creation even amid change. Visualize the aftermath. A single, larger galaxy emerges, its spiral arms winding gracefully, new stars ignited, gas clouds glowing softly, and the central black hole resting quietly at its heart. The memory of the merger lingers in the distribution of stars and gas, in the subtle arcs of light, and in the gentle ripples of gravity that continue to shape the cosmic landscape. Through these collisions, the universe demonstrates its ability to evolve without chaos, to transform through patient, measured forces, and to create beauty from the slow interplay of gravity, energy, and matter. Black holes, as central actors in this process, reveal their dual nature. They are destroyers, consuming matter and energy, yet they are also creators and organizers, guiding the birth of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the continuous evolution of cosmic ecosystems. Floating through this transformed galaxy, one senses a profound serenity. Stars orbit in harmony, glowing arcs of nebulae illuminate the cosmic darkness, and the central black hole exerts its silent authority, maintaining balance in the aftermath of transformation. In witnessing galactic collisions guided by black holes, we gain a hypnotic appreciation for the universe's elegance. A universe where extreme forces act with subtlety, where creation and destruction coexist, and where the cosmos evolves in slow, cinematic rhythms that inspire awe and calm reflection. Beyond the luminous stars, glowing nebulae, and visible galaxies lies an unseen component of the universe, dark matter. Invisible, enigmatic, and pervasive, it forms a cosmic scaffold that shapes the distribution of galaxies and the very architecture of space. Black holes, though themselves invisible in many ways, interact subtly with this hidden web, influencing and being influenced by the gravitational pull of dark matter. Imagine drifting through a quiet region of space, where faint stars trace paths determined not only by visible mass but by an unseen hand guiding them. Dark matter surrounds galaxies in vast halos, while supermassive black holes anchor the galactic centers, their immense gravity entwined with the invisible matter to maintain cosmic balance. The interaction is slow, almost hypnotic. Stars orbit predictably, gas clouds drift in gentle arcs, and galaxies hold their shapes over billions of years, all under the subtle orchestration of black holes and dark matter together. Black holes also shape the density of dark matter locally. Their gravity can influence the movement of dark matter particles, creating regions of slightly higher concentration, which in turn affect the formation of stars and the evolution of galaxies. This interplay is invisible to our eyes, yet its effects ripple across the cosmos, guiding the slow, cinematic dance of galaxies and clusters. Visualize a cluster of galaxies bound together by gravity, each spiral arm and glowing nebula moving in accordance with the unseen scaffolding of dark matter, while the central black holes quietly maintain equilibrium, ensuring that the cluster remains stable over eons. Gravitational lensing, which bends light near black holes, is subtly influenced by the presence of dark matter. This adds an additional layer of hypnotic distortion, magnifying distant galaxies, stretching light into arcs, and painting the universe with patterns that are both beautiful and meditative. The combination of black holes and dark matter demonstrates the balance of visible and invisible forces, showing how the universe maintains order even across immense scales. These giants guide the cosmic flow without fanfare, their influence gentle yet profound, ensuring that the vast cosmic web continues to evolve harmoniously. Imagine floating through this network of light and shadow, where luminous stars shine against the backdrop of darkness, where nebulae glow softly, and where the unseen web of dark matter gives rhythm to the motions of countless galaxies. In this environment, one can sense the universe's quiet poetry, a meditative interplay of forces that are powerful yet graceful, extreme yet balanced. Black holes and dark matter together illustrate a profound truth. The cosmos is structured by both seen and unseen hands, moving in slow, hypnotic patterns, shaping the formation of stars, the architecture of galaxies, and the evolution of the universe itself. Floating amidst these silent forces, one feels a sense of calm awe, witnessing the hidden harmony that guides creation, sustains balance, and orchestrates the cosmic dance on a scale beyond imagination. The memory of this unseen web lingers, a subtle awareness that even what is invisible contributes to the serene, majestic flow of the universe, where black holes act as central conductors, guiding both matter and dark matter in hypnotic, cinematic elegance. The universe is vast, ancient, and patient, and black holes are among its most enduring witnesses. Formed billions of years ago, they persist as silent observers, influencing the evolution of galaxies, stars, and cosmic structures over incomprehensible spans of time. Imagine drifting slowly through a field of galaxies, each a swirling collection of stars and gas, and realizing that the black holes at their centers have existed longer than most of the visible matter around them. Their presence anchors the flow of cosmic time, guiding orbits, regulating star formation, and subtly shaping the evolution of entire galaxies. Time near a black hole stretches and bends, as we have seen, but even across billions of light years, their influence echoes. Stars are born, live, and die, galaxies merge and evolve, yet the black holes remain, patient and unchanging in their majestic authority. Visualize a supermassive black hole quietly resting at the heart of a galaxy over eons. Accretion disks glow softly as matter spirals inward, sometimes feeding the black hole, sometimes being propelled outward in luminous jets. These processes unfold over millions of years, a hypnotic rhythm that emphasizes the serenity of cosmic evolution. The cycles of creation and destruction orchestrated by black holes are slow, deliberate, and mesmerizing. Gas clouds collapse into new stars, old stars exhaust their fuel, and galaxies rearrange themselves, all under the quiet influence of the central giant. Yet, the black hole's presence ensures continuity, stability, and a gentle balance across vast stretches of space and time. Observing from a distant vantage point, one can witness the hypnotic choreography of cosmic evolution. Spiral arms stretch and twist, nebulae glow softly, and light from countless stars arcs gently due to gravitational lensing. The black hole's subtle guidance maintains order within this immense temporal dance. Even when galaxies collide, supermassive black holes merge over millions of years, emitting gravitational waves that ripple across the universe, carrying stories of motion, growth, and transformation. These waves are like soft whispers of time, reminders that the cosmos evolves slowly, gracefully, and beautifully. Floating through this timeline, one senses a calm continuity. Each star, cloud, and jet contributes to the ongoing story, yet the black hole acts as an anchor, a reminder of stability amid change. Cosmic time stretches into a meditative rhythm, where creation, evolution, and transformation are not rushed but unfold in hypnotic, cinematic sequences across eons. The memory of these black holes, as they guide the universe's flow, leaves a lingering sense of awe and serenity. They teach us that time is vast and patient, that even immense forces operate with quiet elegance, and that the universe, in all its complexity, evolves as a slow, mesmerizing ballet. In contemplating black holes across cosmic time, we are invited to appreciate not only their power but their profound role in maintaining balance, nurturing creation, and orchestrating the hypnotic rhythm of the cosmos. The universe, through these giants, reveals a calm majesty, a slow unfolding of beauty and order that stretches across billions of years, inviting reflection, relaxation, and wonder. As the universe drifts slowly through billions of years, even black holes, those patient giants, face the inevitability of cosmic change. While they have persisted for eons, consuming matter, shaping galaxies, and orchestrating the silent rhythm of the cosmos, theories suggest that even they may not last forever. Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes slowly emit radiation, a phenomenon now known as Hawking radiation, losing mass over incomprehensible timescales. Imagine a supermassive black hole, glowing softly with the accretion of matter, gradually releasing faint whispers of energy into the void. The process is so slow that it is almost imperceptible, a gentle fading rather than a sudden disappearance, a cosmic lullaby whispered across billions of light years. Over unimaginable spans of time, black holes may evaporate completely, leaving behind only their legacy in the form of altered galaxies, redistributed matter, and the faint ripples of gravitational waves. This quiet process, far from being frightening, has a meditative beauty. It reminds us that the universe operates on scales beyond human urgency, where even the most immense and powerful objects succumb to subtle, patient processes. As black holes fade, the cosmic environment continues its slow evolution. Stars burn out, galaxies drift apart, and the universe cools, expanding into a vast, serene silence. Yet in this calm, there is profound elegance. Black holes have guided the birth and growth of stars, nurtured chemical complexity, and orchestrated the balance of galaxies. Their gradual evaporation is not destruction but a gentle conclusion to an eons-long symphony of creation and influence. Visualize the scene: a distant galaxy, illuminated by soft, fading starlight, arcs of gas drifting slowly in the absence of energetic jets, and the central black hole glowing ever more faintly. Light bends gently around its silhouette, and the surrounding stars trace hypnotic, elongated paths, preserving the memory of the black hole's influence in their motions. Even as entropy slowly increases, the universe maintains a serene rhythm. The fading giants leave space for subtle cosmic processes to continue, for matter to drift, interact, and evolve over unfathomable timescales. Floating through this final act, one senses both stillness and continuity. Black holes, though perhaps disappearing in the distant future, leave a legacy of balance, order, and hypnotic beauty, a quiet testament to the universe's patient artistry. Their story reminds us that even the most extreme forces can operate with elegance and calm, shaping cosmic evolution with subtle precision. In contemplating this ultimate fate, one feels a profound serenity. The universe stretches outward, vast, quiet, and meditative, filled with patterns formed by the silent authority of black holes. Even in evaporation, there is beauty, a gentle conclusion to billions of years of cosmic creation, evolution, and transformation. This final symphony is not abrupt. It is slow, hypnotic, and cinematic, a reminder that the universe's most powerful forces often act with patience, grace, and serene majesty, leaving behind an enduring sense of calm and wonder. As we drift through the universe, from the swirling accretion disks to the silent hearts of galaxies, one truth becomes clear: black holes are more than cosmic phenomena. They are the quiet keepers of balance, the unseen conductors of an eternal, hypnotic symphony. They embody paradoxes: destruction and creation, invisibility and influence, stillness and motion. Every star they guide, every galaxy they shape, and every ripple of space-time they emit is a note in a cosmic meditation, a soft, cinematic melody that resonates across billions of light-years. Imagine floating above a galaxy cluster, the light of distant stars bending gently around invisible giants, jets tracing luminous arcs through the darkness, nebulae glowing softly as if breathing. The universe here is alive with motion that is slow, deliberate, and hypnotic. Black holes, in their silent authority, remind us of the vast scales on which existence unfolds. They teach patience. A single orbit, a gravitational tug, or the slow merger of two supermassive black holes spans millions of years, yet every subtle action contributes to harmony. They teach balance, consuming matter and energy, yet nurturing star formation, guiding chemical evolution, and shaping the architecture of galaxies. They teach wonder, revealing that even the invisible, the extreme, and the incomprehensible can operate with elegance, precision, and beauty. As cosmic observers, we can reflect on these lessons. Floating near a black hole, watching light bend, stars swirl, and jets pierce the darkness, we sense a rhythm that transcends time. Each motion is slow, hypnotic, and cinematic, a gentle dance that unites creation and transformation in perfect harmony. Even the eventual fading of black holes, through the patient process of evaporation, carries a meditative serenity. Their influence lingers, etched into the motions of stars, the distribution of matter, and the silent structure of galaxies, leaving behind a universe that continues to evolve gracefully. In this reflection, we come to understand that the universe operates as a slow, deliberate meditation, a place where time stretches, space bends, and matter moves in hypnotic patterns. Black holes are both participants and guides in this meditation, teaching us the beauty of patience, the elegance of balance, and the serenity of cosmic rhythm. Imagine drifting further still, through the vastness of space, the stars stretching into gentle arcs, nebulae glowing softly, and light bending in arcs around invisible giants. A sense of calm pervades everything. The universe, immense and eternal, moves with quiet majesty. In this final meditation, black holes are not merely objects. They are reminders of the hypnotic beauty of existence itself. They teach us to see beyond the immediate, to appreciate the slow unfolding of cosmic events, and to find serenity in the vast, interconnected dance of matter, energy, and space-time. As we conclude this journey, the memory of the black hole's silent, elegant influence lingers, a cinematic, meditative impression of creation and transformation, of destruction and balance, and of the eternal, hypnotic dance that continues across the universe. In this quiet reflection, we are invited to rest, to breathe, and to marvel at the serene majesty of a cosmos guided by forces both invisible and profound, a place where the ultimate story of black holes becomes a gentle lullaby for the mind and soul.